There's 3 days to go before the 32 Borough Cup, and I'm running around like a headless chicken trying to make sure everything goes in place. I've got a lot of pickups to do, so follow me on my journey so you can see what it takes to create the 32 Borough Cup. Now we're heading over to Kit at London. He's been someone that we've worked with over the years, on and off for Hackney Football Club. He's done a few of our kits for us. He's actually done all of the 32 Borough Cup kits. So we're going to go over to take a look at some of the kits before Sunday's main event, and I'm also dropping him some tracksuits to get printed for us for our new sponsorship deal that's happening with A Jewelers, which we'll be announcing next week, so look out for it. So yeah, we just collected the kits. This one, as you can see, is a Lambeth Borough, and then this one here is for Newham. So it goes down this weekend, 32 Borough Cup. So as you can see, guys, here these are all the medals ready and sorted done by our wonderful work experience girl Isabella. And you can see here these are all the individual trophies. And again, here we've got the top girl forward of the tournament. So right, stop making noise, I'm going to fix in a second. And over there, as you can see, is all the trophies all ready to go. Why are you making so much noise for? I don't understand. I'm going to fix this phone for her. Okay. Meanwhile, at training, the first team boys are getting ready for the season that starts on the 3rd of July. Some of them will also be taking part in the 32 Borough Cup this weekend. Another day, today I have a meeting with Netflix who want to go through last minute logistics, as they are the sponsors of the 32 Borough Cup, and they'll be coming to do a panel discussion on the workshop day. Thank you guys, really appreciate it. Yes, man. See you then, man. Now it's off to a local sports store to get all the footballs needed for the first team and also just for reserves for the 32 Borough Cup. It's a long day, it's a long process, but we're going to make it work. Collecting all the trophies and medals, need to go and deliver them over to Hackney Marshes, where they'll be stored for the night before the matches on the Sunday. Here's the winning team's trophies. Last season's winners was Islington, so we're hoping for a new winner this season. Before, we have to pay another visit to our friend Kit at London, who have more kits for us, and we're picking up the tracksuits sponsored by A Jewelers. Yeah, we've been working with Kit at London for at least 6 years now. These are 32 Borough Cup ones. And these are tracksuits. Yeah. The kids are going to love that. A Jewelers are going to love that. Yeah, that's sick. But I have to put all the shorts back with the bottoms back. That's the point, you might want the bottoms. Oh, yeah. I head over to Hackney FC's training sessions in Hackney Marshes, where I'll be delivering some of the footballs I bought earlier. There's less than 3 weeks to go before the kick-off on the 30th of July versus Enfield Borough in the league. And here comes Trixie, the club's new physiotherapist. Let's find out more about her.
Been at the club for like over a month now. I joined basically, I've been following Bobby for just over a year, and I've been seeing what he's doing, and I've been really like inspired by everything, and I wanted to join the team and be a part of it. So I messaged him one day and told him about myself, and he was able to give me the opportunity, and yeah, I am currently Hackney WICK's physiotherapist. I'm currently doing my Masters in Physiotherapy. It's a 2-year course in my first year. So currently finished that, and in the meantime I'm working with the club and trying to get experience like here and there and learn on the job, so it's really good.
So they're calling you Lacazette? Have you gone for that look in particular? Have you like decided to cut your hair, or can your hair grow back?
It can grow back. I only started doing this over lockdown. Just stuck. Barbers are too expensive now. So.
And do you see the Lacazette resemblance yourself?
Yeah, I get it all the time.
Are you scoring goals like him now?
I scored more than him.
Okay. So I mean, like you're one of the elder players with Hackney WICK. How do you feel like being one of the older players and a lot of young people? Do you feel like you have to be like a big brother? How does it feel?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I feel like I could take them all under my wing, some experience, you know, help them get better, and they'll do all the running for me as well. So.
Do you think there needs to be that sort of balance in the team where you got a few? Would you say we need a few more older players, or you think that it's a young man's game now?
I think a bit of both. A bit of both isn't bad. I think they play above their age anyway. So yeah, a lot of you know, enthusiasm, which is good, and technically they're good as well. There's a couple of us. I'm not the only older one, so there's a couple of us. It's just taking them under our wing and just helping them along. So yeah.
Coming to the close of the day, we're now going to put all the rest of the equipment over in the Hackney Marshes Centre. Active Water PH have delivered 1,500 bottles of water for us, as well as Esperala drinks, who have also sponsored the competition. There's no one here on Saturday though? No one here on Saturday? Absolutely sure. I'm coming to check them. I'm moved them, but no one's here on Saturday. Alright, anything for them? I think that's a little bit there. It's the final days of preparation, and it's Friday the 15th of July, and I'll be heading over to our youth team's training for the community size ages 3 up to 12, where we'll be delivering them their new tracksuits and training tops.
Yeah. We've got the most parents here at that point, so most of them have gone.
What we'll do is just get the kids. We do like a present. You got a bit of a surprise today. So I see a lot of you guys got the last season Hackney WICK top. So next season you're getting new jerseys to be wearing. But you also now will be getting training tops and tracksuits, which means you must wear your tracksuits to every training session. Right? But once you get here, you can take off your tracksuit, and then you also get your training tops today. We've got the lovely Charlotte, who's come over here today with my company called A Jewelers. Give her a round of applause.
Hello guys, you okay?
And she's going to explain why they're getting involved with you guys and why they're supporting you guys.
Yeah, so we're going to be supporting you guys for the next year, is it?
Yep.
Yeah. So we have got your new tracksuits here today to present you. Let's have a look. I don't know what sizes they are. You're going to have to try them all on after we've gone.
So they're in navy blue.
Yeah. And then this is our
And that's the logo
company
there at the back.
logo on the back. So yeah, we're really excited to be working with you guys for the next year. Hopefully we can be invited along to some matches as well and come and watch you guys play. And we really hope that you enjoy wearing them. It's going to be great.
And I know some of you guys, it's not easy every week for the parents to be paying. So A Jewelers will be supporting a few of our families to make sure that we can continue attending training sessions. And yeah, so guys, give Charlotte and A Jewelers a round of applause one more time. And who can this fit? Who will this fit? Who will this fit? Connor, let's try you then.
You'll be our model.
You'll be the first model. There you go. Ooh, that might be a bit too big for you there.
Yeah.
Is that too small, too big? Well, zip it up, zip it up.
Let's have a
zip it
look.
up. You there? Need help there?
Oh,
There you go, give us a 12, give us a 12.
Yeah.
Give us a 12, give us a 12. There you go, guys. So, at the end of this, I think these guys, the bottoms look kind of big though, I don't know. So, try that one, you're gonna put that one on. Let's get that on. Sorry to cut your session, Oisin. There you go. Get that on.
Because there's no, if you lose your jacket, that's you. Yeah? Well, that never
So today is the first day of the 32 Borough Cup, and today is the workshop day where we've got many different organisations coming around to give our young people advice and guidance and job opportunities. We have a plethora of organisations coming down to spend the day with the young people, including Netflix, Selfridges, Barclays Bank, Sports Interactive, Minute Media, Octagon, Kimura Performance, Roots and many more. This is the third annual 32 Borough Cup, with previous winners all being from North London. So we've had Islington and Enfield. So this year, who's going to win it? Right, I think it's about time we open the ceremony. Here we go. While we do the workshop, again, it's about opportunities. Some of you guys know my story, some of you guys may not know my story. So, for those who don't, I ended up spending 8 years of my life in prison because I was impatient, I wanted quick money, I wanted to show off, and so on and so on, because I didn't have a job. If I didn't have a job, I went to the streets and ended up spending 8 years of my life in jail when I was a promising footballer. So I used to play for Ashford Town Middlesex in the Ryman League at that time, and literally messed it all up. Fast forward, we started HACKNEY Football Club, and then I thought I'd bring together the 32 Borough Cup for 2 reasons. One of the reasons, postcode wars, postcode beefs. A lot of young people are scared to go to neighbouring boroughs because they feel that, oh, I can't go there because these people don't like us. But if you look around, you're all the same. You're all the same age, you all have an interest in football, and you could be friends, just live in different areas. So it's about bringing everyone together, but also tackling opportunities, the lack of opportunities there is for young people. So we've asked a plethora of different organisations to come down and speak with you guys, to talk to you guys about the different opportunities they may have in their organisations, because I know I didn't have that when I was growing up, and I ended up going to the street. So hopefully some of you guys can get some work experience, full-time jobs. I know London Fire Solutions are here, one of our sponsors. They've actually got 3 of our players full-time jobs. They started last week. So we know for a fact they're going to be out off the streets, out of trouble, and now building up their career. So the opportunities are here for you guys. So today, a lot of people are going to speak to you guys and give you time to tell you about their own journeys and opportunities there. So I'll pass it over to the lovely Joe over at Loughborough University, and Tony, who have all hosted us, so really appreciate it. Over to you guys. For me, the workshop days are more important than the actual football itself.
For the last 4 years consecutively.
And it was actually like quite hard getting a job when I first come out of uni. I actually ended up going into retail. I worked at MABLEY for a year before I got my first break in the industry, essentially. My first foot in the door was through a company called Call Time. They were kind of like a diary service agency.
$1 million question.
One individual piece.
Yeah, or your most notable piece.
There's a lot, but I mean, like a watch. I mean, something recently we made for Fredo was a chandelier diamond RM, and it cost him like excess of 300,000.
You're honest.
How much did they cost to make? How much profit?
We talk to him after.
It's nearly time for kickoff. Welcome to the third 32 Borough Cup. It's the third time we're doing it. It's the first time we've got a women's group as well, so let's give a round of applause for that as well.